Hi again. So this is step 2B, or not 2B. No, that is the question. So 2B has the sound circles, but now we're doing sound rectangles. So it's going to be on your step 2. And what you do, you're going to be working with 2-syllable words. And we're going to pull the sounds down for each of the rectangles for the syllable. So for example, in the word napkin, say the word napkin. Have the students say napkin. So let's tap it out. N, a, p, k, I, n. Napkin. Okay, so let's pull down the sounds for the first syllable. We're going to say n, a, p. Point to each sound. N, a, p, nap. The second half is kin. So we're going to go k, I, n. Point to each sound. K, I, n. Kin. Push it together. We're going to say nap. K, I, n. Napkin. And that is step 2B, and that's how we do our syllable rectangles.